Manifestation is making the universe pregnant with what I want. The most silliest thing I've heard is I do manifestation. How can you do manifestation?
शाहरुख खान ने एक बार बोला था कि आई एम लाइक अ हॉर्स, मेरे को यहाँ वहाँ कुछ नहीं दिखता, आई लुक स्ट्रेट.
Quantum collapse is नजर हटी दुर्घटना घटी.
इस पॉइंट पे आई वुड से नजर लगने दो. लेट देम सी, लेट देम मैनिफेस्ट इट फॉर यू नाउ. If you want something too much, universe will resist it. Is that true? I think that was a very practical roadmap for anybody to manifest anything. People who think कि मुझे अच्छा पार्टनर नहीं मिलता लाइफ में, why do I attract toxic people? It's because you yourself are like that.
And see, we must establish the truth that we are all magnets. We attract our reality. We manifest our reality, good, bad, right, wrong. But the problem with manifestations, people are only taking ownership for, oh, this is the good things I manifested. This red Ferrari, I manifested. But that broken marriage, no, not me. They gave it to me. So they're not taking accountability for all the things that are happening in their life.
Good or bad.
Yeah, because you are attracting everything. You are manifesting everything. Manifestation is the law of attraction. That's like the law of gravity that's working 24/7 on you. It doesn't sleep. So then tell me, how can you only use do you use gravity only in the morning and not in the afternoon? No, right? And the most silliest thing I've heard is I do manifestation. How can you do manifestation? It's a law that's happening on you all the time.
So manifestation just happens. You don't do it.
You don't do it. Do you do gravity or it's happening?
It's happening.
Right. So, like gravity, we live in a universe of laws. There's this law of attraction, law of vibration. Yes, if I want to manifest something consciously, then I've got to consciously vibrate my frequency and match my frequency to that vision of what I want to manifest. Then I'm aligning my energy and then conscious manifestation. Having said that, जो आपकी लाइफ में कचरा भी हो रहा है, आप ही तो मैनिफेस्ट कर रहे हो ना, और कौन कर रहा है? तो ऐसे तो नहीं होता ना. गुड थिंग्स आई मैनिफेस्ट, बैड थिंग्स दे गिव मी.
So why does manifestation work for some people and कुछ लोगों के लिए fail कर जाता है, फिर चलता
Because they're not aligned. There's a lot of layers to understand with manifestation. You know, if it was as simple as just feeling gratitude and writing gratitude journals, then after reading the book Secret, the whole world would be a multi-billionaire.
Yeah.
Right? Because we all read it. However, there are many, many, many layers to understanding this. The first fundamental layer is our subconscious mind and our conscious mind have to be aligned with what we want to, whatever we want to manifest. Okay? Our subconscious mind is carrying memories, programs of the past. So my conscious mind wants, say, 20 lakh rupees. But in a childhood, I believed I don't deserve money and I'm poor. So now ये misalignment हो गया ना. So वो होगा ही नहीं. There's a war going on inside because my conscious mind is saying, I'm so grateful 20 lakh is coming to me. That's my conscious mind saying, अंदर से आवाज आ रही है, चल झूठे, कहाँ से आएगा? You know, you don't deserve it. So now that war starts happening. So the first step is we got to go into our subconscious mind, reprogram our memory and start remember I told you our mind only functions on memory and addiction. So you've got to memorize your future. You've got to memorize 20 lakh rupees. You've got to get addicted to 25 lakh rupees. And then it's a full body, yes, mind body alignment, and that is when the universe gets it and it happens.
Gives it to you.
It comes from nowhere. Yeah. So this is the gap, the biggest gap.
What I learned from this is manifestation, you don't do it. It does not happen to you. You make your own reality. So I read this example somewhere. I think it was a Joe Dispenza book only. That his daughter wanted to go abroad for some program. So what he told his daughter was कि start thinking that you're in Italy, right? She
Living
wanted
it.
to go to France, I think. So you are in France right now. अभी तुम फ्रांस में हो, तुम फ्रांस में जो करना चाहते थे वो सब तुम अभी करो and live the reality that you
In
want.
the now.
तो if I want to be, let's say I want to be a biggest Bollywood actor, ठीक है? तो right now I speak like a Bollywood actor, I think like a Bollywood
I use
actor.
all my 5 senses.
Yeah, you become that person and then manifestation happens.
I'll tell you, see, please understand, in the universe, okay, there's no past, present, future. The block universe theory has proven it, that in the universe it's just a big block and everything is happening in the now moment. And there is this law also called the law of one that says that anything that's separate from you cannot come to you. Okay, now if I'm thinking that my future is there and I'm here, am I separate from my future? Yeah, it will never happen. So what I have to do is I have to honoring, because the law of manifestation is honoring the law of one, honoring the fact that there is no past, present, future. It's all now. So now I have to become one with my future in the now moment. I have to feel it, drink it, eat it, sleep it. I have to engage all my five senses and create a sense of elevated emotions which is bigger than my current reality, bigger than my past memories, bigger than my emotional addictions. I have to outright it fully that it's happened in the now, it's here and now in me. And I have to keep living it till it's happened. Because there's also something called the quantum collapse.
What is that?
Quantum collapse is nazar hati, durghatna gati. That means the one moment, if I'm practicing living this multimillionaire role. Okay. Now suddenly my driver became late and I started yelling at him. Did I leave that frequency?
No.
Did I leave that future frequency and I now became angry person?
Yeah.
Right? Quantum collapse ho gaya uska. Because my observation changed.
ध्यान कहीं और चला गया.
हाँ, ध्यान कोई और चला गया. So the moment the observer is not observing the reality, it stops. So there is a level of inertia or energy we have to invest till that raw energy becomes matter. Once it starts becoming matter and cooking in the real world, then I can move my vision from here and there. So it's like that fine-tuning focus. And I have to live it in the now moment. And that then is aligned with the law of one, that there is no past, present, future, and I'm one with my future. The second thing, what we must understand is, like you said, our subconscious mind loves the familiar.
Yeah.
And anything unfamiliar is going to give us fear.
Yeah.
Now, is the future that I'm creating familiar to me or unfamiliar?
No.
It's unfamiliar. So, every time I want to create that future, it'll give me fear. Don't go there. This will happen. That will happen. So what I have to do is, sitting here now, I have to make the unfamiliar familiar by memorizing my future.
So using all the five senses to make it your reality today. And make it familiar
and
so that
then
you're not scared of it.
Without any effort, it starts happening. If you understand it, it's so simple.
Yeah.
But that's the journey of understanding it.
That reminds me, unknowingly शाहरुख खान ने एक बार बोला था कि आई एम लाइक अ हॉर्स. मेरे को यहाँ वहाँ कुछ नहीं दिखता. आई लुक स्ट्रेट एंड आई मूव फॉरवर्ड. एंड आई थिंक दैट इज़ वॉट हेल्प्ड हिम मैनिफेस्ट वॉट ही वॉन्टेड इन लाइफ. शाहरुख खान ने अननोइंगली मैनिफेस्ट कर लिया और वही रूल से मैनिफेस्ट किया जो आप अभी बता रहे हो कि अगर हमारी नज़र हटी, जो हमारा फाइव सेंसेस, अगर हमने उसको एक जो कॉन्सेंट्रेट नहीं किया अपने गोल पे रियलिटी बनाने में और नज़र हटी, इधर उधर गए, तो वो रियलिटी नहीं बन सकती. एंड वही लेज़र फोकस जो चाहिए, उससे मैनिफेस्टेशन बहुत ईजीली होगा.
I mean, it's so fluid then. See, because please understand, the more you observe what you want to create, the more energy you're putting into that, the more you're making it alive. Because our senses are generating frequencies that are making the world of energy come into life. Right? अब एक पल के लिए मैंने यहाँ, like I changed my frequency, and so you got to have a laser focus. Like there's this one tool I give my students, FOYO. FOYO. Just everybody is suffering from FOMO these days. FOMO is fear of missing out. So we are always focusing on other people's reality.
ठीक है.
Right? FOYO is focus on your own highway. FOYOH. Yeah, FOYO. Because if we are 9 billion people, we are 9 billion highways. Each one of us is given your purpose, your body, your face, your DNA. Like you have, like no two mobile numbers are the same, right?
No.
So how can two goals be the same?
No.
But we are so worried about unke highway pe kya chal raha hai.
Yeah.
And now I am putting all my focus on their highway and I'm watering their grass. So that grows greener. You understand? Because now
मेरी भी एनर्जी वहाँ जा रही है.
Energy flows where focus goes.
Yeah.
Now where is my focus?
उनकी
On
तरफ.
their life. So, in fact, this is on the lighter side. There was this one time in my life where a lot of people would focus on my life. कि Ramon is doing so well. इसका turnover ऐसे होगा, वैसे होगा. I said, wow, please keep focusing all your energy on my highway. Because you're watering my highway and my energy is going to grow. You understand? So, I tell people, focus on your goals. Keep that laser sharp focus. कौन side में क्या कर रहा है मत देखो. Because this is one fundamental thing that has brought me where I am. In this world of social media, there's so much of overstimulation. You see किसी की लाइफ इतनी अच्छी जा रही है, एक फोटो देख के हम जेलस हो जाते हैं, राइट? कोई कुछ थोड़ा कर रहा है तो वी एंड आवर ब्रेन ऑल्सो व्हेन इट इंटरप्रेट्स इन्फॉर्मेशन इट मैग्नीफाइज इन्फॉर्मेशन. तो एक फोटो को वो 10x रियलिटी करके एग्जैजुरेट करके हमको देगा. So we cook up a story and then we start feeling jealous कि oh they are doing so good, I'm not good enough, मैं पीछे रह जाऊंगी. All of that drama. So you've got to love yourself so much. इतना प्यार कर लो अपनी सोल से कि इधर उधर देखो ही मत. जो भी कोई कर रहा है वो अपने लिए कर रहा है. So फोयो करो, फोमो मत करो.
आई थिंक जो लोग कहते हैं ना कि लोगों को दिखाओ मत आप क्या कर रहे हो, नजर लगेगी.
Yeah.
इस पॉइंट पे आई वुड से नजर लगने दो. लेट देम सी, लेट देम मैनिफेस्ट इट फॉर यू नाउ.
Yeah, let them manifest. But yeah, nazar bhi ek aisi cheez hai. Then again, you know, that's the universe functions on the power of observation, right? So now I'm manifesting my future and I'm observing it. Now I've told it to a few people who are jealous. Now if they throw negative energy, do you know that can collapse?
It can.
Yeah, and that's why you've got to just keep your future as a secret till it's come into the tangible world. Once it's come into the tangible world, share it with them. But when it's raw, like for example, let me tell you, have you heard of this thing that जब एक बच्चा conceive होता है 3 महीने के लिए किसी को नहीं बताते, right? Now please understand, a child is also manifestation. From nothing we are creating something.
Yeah.
It's actually from nothingness we are creating. Now the first 3 months it's malleable matter. It's malleable, it's fluid. So वो किसी भी time burst हो सकता है, collapse हो सकता है. But once it's 3.5 months, tangible हो गया है, उसकी bones बन गए. So now there are less chances. This was the whole concept. So even when the universe is pregnant with your ask, don't tell anyone for some time till they can't see the signs of pregnancy. That हाँ तुम्हारा ये बनने वाला है, तुम्हारा ये होने वाला है.
अपने आप दिखने लग जाए.
Yeah. So first of all, manifestation is making the universe pregnant with what I want. And then the universe will give it to me in due time.
Yeah.
But then I have to keep it a secret for some time so that other people don't observe it with their negative vibration
And keep on taking
collapse
care
it.
of it.
And collapse
Keep on
it.
observing it.
Yeah.
What I will just summarize this in my own way, क्योंकि जब मैंने जो डिस्पेंसर की वही बुक पढ़ी थी तो मैंने एक चीज़ जो वहाँ पे समझी थी, लाइफ में हर चीज़ एक पॉसिबिलिटी है. एनीथिंग इज़ पॉसिबल. हर पॉसिबिलिटी एग्जिस्ट करती है, बस अभी हम उसे देख नहीं पा रहे, हम उसे रियलिटी नहीं बना पा रहे. द मोमेंट यू स्टार्ट पुटिंग एनर्जी इनटू दैट पॉसिबिलिटी, दैट पोटेंशियल, तो आप उसे रियलिटी बना लेते.
Yes.
द सेम थिंग गोज कि द मोमेंट यू स्टार्ट पुटिंग एनर्जी इनटू समथिंग, वो रियलिटी बनेगी, बट कोई और आपकी उस पॉसिबिलिटी पे एनर्जी लगा रहा है. तो अगर उसने नेगेटिव लगा दी तो वो एक नेगेटिव रियलिटी
Time
बन
bomb बन
सकती है. तो वो जो एक चीज़ जो एग्जिस्ट नहीं करती उस पर आप पॉजिटिव लगा रहे हो, बट किसी और की नेगेटिव लग जाए तो नेगेटिव होके बाहर आ सकती है और रियलिटी आपकी बन सकती है.
And the thumb rule between negative and positive is negative always overpowers the positive.
Yes, we all know
So,
that.
It overtakes.
I've read somewhere that if you want something too badly, कुछ बहुत ज़्यादा ज़ोर से चाहिए किसी को, तो यूनिवर्स ना आपको पुश बैक करेगा, वो नहीं देगा. If you want something too much, universe will resist it. Is that true?
No, the universe doesn't resist it. Our own fear, our own resistance creates the block. Universe is only responding to what I am projecting as a frequency. Please understand, to answer your question, the universe is like a broadcasting station. That means there are infinite frequencies in the universe and every frequency is broadcasting one song. Like a radio station, let's say 91 का radio station है, 90 का है, 92 का है, 80 का है. There are infinite radio stations in the universe and every frequency is a radio station broadcasting its song. I am a radio set. Now, I am tuned into 91 in my car. So कौन से रेडियो स्टेशन का गाना बजेगा?
91.
इसका मतलब जब 91 का मेरी गाड़ी में बज रहा है, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि बाकी गाने नहीं हैं, वो हैं यूनिवर्स में, पर वो मेरे रेडियो में नहीं बज रहे हैं. So manifestation is exactly like that. We live in a universe of infinite possibility and everything that we want is existing on a certain frequency. Now we as a human being are a mass of energy and we function on frequency, and like I told you, GOD, we are frequency generators, frequency organizers, frequency destroyers. When I think a negative thought, I've destroyed my frequency. When I'm focusing on a positive, I'm generating my frequency. And then there is something like when I've manifested it, now can I manage this? That is the organizing principle. Okay.
ठीक है.
Now, as I'm generating a positive frequency and let's say I'm tuned into 91. Okay. So कौन सा गाना बज रहा है? 91 का
91
स्टेशन का.
हाँ.
नो एक पल के लिए मेरा हाथ लग गया नॉब पे और मैं 80 पे चली गई. तो आई लॉस्ट 91 का गाना ना.
बिल्कुल.
वो कोलैप्स हो गया, राइट? सो यही होता है. सो फॉर मी टू मैनिफेस्ट आई हैव टू बी इन अ हाई फ्रीक्वेंसी. ओके, लव, कंपैशन, काइंडनेस, जॉय, वननेस, ईज, फ्लो. द मोमेंट आई गो एंड बिकम एंग्री एट समवन, आई हैव कोलैप्स्ड. वो कोलैप्स हो गया. और हमको ये नहीं पता, देन वी से वो बना नहीं. देन आई स्टार्ट ऑब्जर्विंग इट. मॉर्निंग आई एम ऑब्जर्विंग इट, इवनिंग आई एम स्क्रीमिंग एट समवन, मॉर्निंग आई एम ऑब्जर्विंग इट, एंड वो कोलैप्स होता जा रहा है. तो बन ही नहीं रहा. एंड देन वी से ओ ये मेरी डेस्टिनी नहीं है. But who is the person who's responsible for tuning into the frequency? You. So that is where spirituality comes in, because when you're really spiritual, you have a compassionate heart, kind heart, you're in a high frequency all the time, every time, then you don't have to do manifestation. You are in a high vibrational frequency, सब कुछ उधर ही है. Then you're tuned into the highest frequency, और जितने गाने उधर बज रहे हैं, जितना abundance है, वो आता जा रहा है, आपको मांगना भी नहीं पड़ रहा. Because it becomes a part of your existence.
I think you've cleared a lot of foundational basics of manifestation for me today. Concept manifestation का एक अलग वे में समझाया आपने. Now I want to know a very practical answer from you कि आपने manifestation की एक नई perspective दिया मुझे. तो what are the tips that you tell people to manifest? वेरी प्रैक्टिकल टिप्स जो घर पे बैठे कर सके और मैनिफेस्ट कर सके whatever they want.
So see, for me, first of all, manifest जो भी reality करनी है. Like everything lies on different frequency. So you cannot tune into two frequencies at one time. First thumb rule.
Yeah.
So be very clear with what you want one by one.
One by one.
You know, sometimes you're like ये भी चाहिए. How can you be tuned into 91 and 98 and क्योंकि एक time पे एक ही गाना बजेगा. Now if you're tuned into 5 frequencies at the same time, वो ज़र्र आवाज़ आएगी यूनिवर्स के लिए. सो यूनिवर्स ऑल्सो कन्फ्यूज्ड व्हाट डू दे वांट, राइट? फर्स्ट थंब रूल, like have a season for manifestation. Okay, so this summer season, I'll only for the next 5 months I'll focus on one thing. When that one thing comes, then I'll focus on the next. Now that one thing, it could be just anything. Okay, now the first step is, once I've decided what I want and I'm very clear what I want, before I write my gratitude and all of that, I have to first check into my subconscious mind and check into the sensations in my body and see, does my body believe that I deserve this? If the belief is not there, then first work on removing the old belief, kachra, and including the new belief, because your subconscious mind only functions on memories. So memorize the future. And what is a memory? A memory is nothing but a repeated thought.
Repeated, yeah.
A repeated thought. It's a memorized thought. So keep repeating that future in your mind like a parrot, like 200 times a day for 10, 20, 30 days. Right? Now, I spend 1 month in memorizing my future. So I walk my future, I eat my future, I sleep my future, I think it, I feel it, all my sense, I hear it, I smell it, I taste it. I'm engaging all my 5 senses. Okay. Now I've spent 1 month on this. Now when I wake up after 30 days, it takes about 20, 30 days for your subconscious mind to get reprogrammed with new memory. Now when I wake up on the 30th day, I wake up and automatically the first thought is, wow, thank you so much, it's happened. I'm living it. Now, after my subconscious mind has memorized it, now I consciously start engaging my senses, my visual. So our most powerful senses are our visual, our auditory, and our kinesthetic feeling sense. So you can use either of the 2 senses to create an elevated emotion. So either I like to use my visual and my feeling sense. So now because it's memorized, what thought see, my mind is thinking from my subconscious mind. In my subconscious mind, now I put my future. Correct. So now I'm thinking my future automatically, feeling it, and in no time it will actually come.
I think that was a very practical roadmap for anybody to manifest anything.
Anything, just
Fill
put the
in
data
blanks.
in your subconscious mind.
Fill in those blanks that you gave us and just do it on repeat.
Yeah.
for anything.
Because the gratitude that we are writing, okay, we are not using our senses there. We may be writing like a parrot, but our senses are somewhere else.
Exactly,
So it's not
exactly.
manifesting then.
एंड इवन व्हेन यू हैव टू लाइक आपने फर्स्ट स्टेप बताया कि अपने ओल्ड बिलीव्स को छोड़ के नए बिलीव्स हमें ऑन रिपीट एक पैरेट की तरह याद करना है, उसे एक मेमोरी बनाना है और ओल्ड बिलीव्स को भी निकालना अपने अंदर से. इट्स ऑल्सो अ बिग
That is the healing process.
या दैट इज वेयर हीलिंग कम्स.
So see, before I really mastered manifestation healing, I'm talking about since 32 years I've been working on myself, okay? जब शुरू में होता क्या था, I would heal my childhood and come wherever I would go for healing, and कुछ manifest होता था. Then I would heal itna and itna manifest hota tha. And then I started joining the dots and I said, yeah, this is good because they're correlated, they go hand in hand.
Yeah.
The more I let go of the old, there's space for new to come in.
दैट्स सो ट्रू.
Okay. And now when somebody come to me for manifestation, I first heal them. I go into their childhood, and if they're coming to me for 10 sessions, first 5 sessions I only invest in cleaning their kachra. Because if you want to bring in new furniture, first let go of the old. Na?
That's
There's no
very true.
space.
ग्लास खाली करो तभी और पानी डाल
नया आएगा ना.
बिल्कुल.
So healing and manifestation are two sides of the same coin, and they have to go hand in hand.
हैंड इन हैंड.
You cannot build new fruits over old roots. And I know so many people. Let me give you this analogy, it'll become clear. Let's say the universe is like, your subconscious mind is like a garden. Okay? और बचपन में बहुत सारे apple trees पैदा हो गए. Okay, now all your life you've been eating apples. At 30 years you get up and say, यार मुझे apple नहीं खाने, मुझे mangoes चाहिए. So what is your first step you will do? You'll have to remove the apple trees. अब आपने जड़ों से apple tree नहीं निकाले, जड़ से नहीं, बीच ऊपर से काट दिया आपने. ओके, और आपने मैंगो सीड्स डाल दिए.
नहीं आएंगे.
नेक्स्ट सीजन में एप्पल ही मिलेंगे एंड मैंगोज आएंगे थोड़े थोड़े. जैसे मैंगोज भरने शुरू हो जाएंगे, एप्पल्स भी आ जाएंगे. एंड देन यू से, ये क्या, मेरा मैनिफेस्टेशन बस्ट हो गया, मैंने तो मैनिफेस्ट किया था. अरे पहले जाओ जड़ तक. जड़ मीन्स, यू नो व्हाट, इट कुड बी योर मदर्स वोम ट्रॉमा when you were in your mother's womb. It could be a past life karma that's stopping you from manifesting. Go heal it, get it out from the root, and then sow the new seeds for your new fruits. Then nothing can stop you from the fruits from coming.
अगर आपको ये क्लिप पसंद आई हो हमारे पॉडकास्ट में से, तो नमन टॉक्स पॉडकास्ट चैनल पे रोज आपके लिए एक स्पेसिफिक टॉपिक पे नई क्लिप आएगी. रोज कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा, रोज कुछ हेल्पफुल टिप मिलेगी. तो देखना मत भूलिएगा और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा.